Think like Einstein, the story of a true genius. Albert Einstein. You've heard his name? People call him a genius, one of the smartest people in history. But did you know that Einstein didn't seem like a genius at first? His story is full of surprises and lessons about curiosity, determination, and thinking differently. Albert was born on March 14th, 1879, in a small town in Germany. As a child, he didn't speak much. In fact, he didn't start talking until he was about 4 years old. His teachers thought he was slow or lazy because he didn't follow their rules. But young Albert wasn't slow. He was just curious and thought in his own way. One day, when Albert was about 5 years old, his father gave him a gift, a small compass. Albert was amazed. No matter how he turned it, the needle always pointed in the same direction. He asked himself, why? How does this work? That little compass sparked a lifelong love for asking questions. School wasn't easy for Albert. He didn't like strict rules and memorizing facts. He loved math and science but hated the way his teachers taught. At 16, he left school without a diploma, but Albert didn't give up. He studied on his own and worked hard to pass the exams to enter college. After college, Albert couldn't find a teaching job. Instead, he worked at a patent office. His job was to check ideas for new inventions. It wasn't exciting, but it gave him time to think, and Albert loved to think. During this time, Albert had his miracle year. In 1905, he published 4 incredible papers that changed the way people saw the world. One of them introduced his famous equation, E equals mc squared. This simple equation showed that energy and mass are connected. It helped scientists understand the universe in a completely new way. Albert became famous. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his work on the photoelectric effect, which helped create modern technology like solar panels. But fame didn't change Albert. He was still curious, kind, and full of ideas. Albert wasn't just a scientist. He loved playing the violin, thinking about peace, and helping others. He stood up for justice and spoke against war. Albert Einstein's life teaches us an important lesson. You don't have to fit in to succeed. It's okay to think differently. It's okay to be curious and ask big questions. So the next time you feel stuck or unsure, remember Albert Einstein. Keep asking questions, keep learning, and never stop imagining. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.